Did you know Mansfield, with over 340 such features like rain gardens, swales, and permeable paving, is soaking up 58 million liters of rainwater, equivalent to 23 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Incredible, right? This is the magic of SuDS. Hi, I am Ajharuddin Khan, graduate engineer at AtkinsRéalis. I am passionate about designing innovative, sustainable drainage systems that make our infrastructure more resilient and environmental friendly. One of the projects I am most proud of is my work on A66 NTP. My approach focused on delivering multifunctional benefits, flood mitigation, water quality improvement, and community value, all while aligning with national search standards by Syria. Thanks to susdrain Syria for having me as a finalist for this award and recognizing the efforts towards sustainability. Let's keep building a greener, more sustainable future together. Thank you.